In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a simple Python application that accepts keyboard inputs and prints out the input using the input and print functions. Let's go through the code. We first start by using the input function to prompt the user to enter their name. We store the user's input in a variable called name. Next, we use the print function to output a greeting message along with the user's name. We concatenate the string hello with the variable name and the string exclamation mark. Great! As you can see, the program prompts the user to enter their name, and then outputs a greeting message with their name. Now, let's try another example. Here, we prompt the user to enter their age and store it in a variable called age. We then use the print function to output a message that includes the user's age. Excellent! We've just created a simple Python application that accepts user input and outputs it using the print function. Keep practicing and you'll be writing complex Python programs in no time. Thank you for watching.